Ongoing ngayon sa Saudi Arabia ang proseso para mapaghiwalay ang conjoined twins na mula sa Oriental Mindoro.
Sponsor po ng King Salman and ng Crown Prince po dito sa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. All expense po, accommodation, yung sa hospitalization, then meron din pong pocket money. At wala po kami iintindihin na kahit ano. Libre po lahat.
Ongoing na ang ilang mga procedures kina Maurice Ann at Clea Ann. Napanatag naman sila dahil sabi mismo ng mga doktor, hindi ganun kakomplikado ang case ng kambal. At after 3 months daw, mapaghihiwalay na sila.
Sobrang saya kasi makikita ko na yung kambal ko na ayun, magkahiwalay, magagawa na nila gusto nila. Makakapamuhay na sila ng normal, makakapag-aral na sila ng maayos. Kumbaga, hindi ko na iisipin na if ever man na alam mo yun, yung something happens sa aming mag-asawa, kumbaga alam na namin na na normal na sila. Kaya na nilang mabuhay.
Congratulations for the first part. They are separated now, but they need a few hours to cover the bone and the skin, but they are now on 2 tables. They are much better. So our prayers for them to complete the operation. They need maybe a few hours and then they will go to the ICU. They are critical. They still need time and observation, but the big part of the separation is done.
Thank you so much.
Alhamdulillah.
Truly a miracle for our family. Our hearts are full of gratitude and happiness because we have prayed and waited for this moment for so long. To Dr. Rabia, Dr. Mutasim, and all the doctors, nurses, and all the entire medical team, thank you for your dedication and compassion. You did not only perform surgery, you gave my twins a chance to live their life separately. We are grateful for the King, to the custodian of the Holy Mosque, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, and to His Royal Highness, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman.